Hello, and welcome to another update on ADA. So here on the ADA chart, I'm currently tracking an ABC structure to the upside in wave 3. We talked about that yesterday. Yesterday I also covered the larger time frame. And here we want to just take a look at the 1 hour chart. I mean, the move to the upside is a 3-wave move so far. I mean, I have no 5 waves up at this point. I don't necessarily expect 5 waves, but one more high would give us a 5th wave, in my opinion. For now, I treat this as an A wave, which might start a B wave pullback at any point. So that means if we get a deeper pullback, then this would be the first support zone to watch between 80.8 cents and 85.8 cents. ADA tried to break above the first signal line. So far, not a convincing breakout. We're currently back below this line at around 88. It's at 88 cents. Yeah, so we're currently back below this zone, and it's a 3-wave move down, however, as well. So it is entirely possible we're starting the B wave today or over the coming sessions. Then this is the first real support zone to watch. Yeah, I don't have any other support above. This is the main support zone here for this B wave pullback. Now, what do we get if we break below this support? A lot of people are wondering what could happen if we break below support, below 80.8 cents. In that case, then the focus would simply shift to lower support, and I have to assume that the entire correction here is a complex one. For example, a WXYXZ structure, or you could also say a WXY structure in the orange scenario, in which then the orange wave Y itself is an A, B, C structure. Yeah, those are basically the two scenarios I'm tracking here at the moment on this chart. It's critical to understand that this move to the upside is so far only a 3-wave move up, so it could easily be a B wave. It could easily be a B wave, and standard resistance for this B wave is located in this range. So you see we have reacted now to the golden ratio level, the 61.8 retracement level, at 88.9 cents in this area here, and the 78.6 retracement is just above that at 92 cents. These are basically the next micro resistance areas or levels, and I think breaking above them would already shift probabilities further towards the white scenario. Now I'm watching the white scenario primarily, especially as long as we're holding that support area here. Yeah, further upside, I would treat it just as an extension of wave A. Even if we get 5 waves up, an A wave can be 5 waves. But I think any further upside from here would reduce the probability for the orange scenario, shift probabilities further towards the white count, and towards a low being in and a low having formed here around the 1st of September. So as long as pullbacks remain corrective and hold above 80.8 cents, the white scenario remains leading. Next pivots to overcome, next break or resistances to break, next objective for the bulls, 88.9 to 92 cents. Yep, and then above we've got 96 cents as next resistance levels. And then above we've got this yellow trend line. That is really critical. This yellow trend line, I showed it to you over the last few weeks again and again on our weekly time frame chart. This is really important. I mean, this really this caps the price at the moment. Yeah, we've been below this trend line for many months. I mean, all year really. Okay, even though this trend line really became only apparent after the swing high here in March, was recently confirmed again in August. So that is the next one to break above. So yeah, and overall the bullish thesis for now remains intact. I explained the weekly chart to you in previous days, so don't think we need to cover that again, but focus is on micro support for now. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. Feel free to follow us here. I keep you updated there as well. The link to our X channel is in the description and comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.